All right, up at Lake Shasta. It's about 7 a.m., about 15 after 7. Gonna go for a little ride. There's some trails nearby we can hit. So I'm gonna take the pit bike on there and see how I fare. Got my safety glasses for the wind. Didn't really plan on this, but should be a good time. Oh man, that's a ride. That's definitely not a trail. This must have been an old logging road. But wow, that's a nice view. This is awesome. This is definitely something you wouldn't really want to quad on. A four-wheel drive would be fine. Utility quad, but this, honestly, this pit bike handles it just fine. It's a little guy, so it's easy to throw over things. And you're not gonna get stuck. Just pick it back up. Man. I guess from here, gotta figure out where you wanna go. Oh. There's not much. This is all pretty wooded hillside that's all been gone through when they logged the area. Looked like a fire came through and then they logged afterward. But fun stuff. Probably start heading back and see if anybody else wants to try riding out here. This is sweet. So I just came to a screeching halt. My chain popped off, and what happened is a stick had gotten lodged in there. I forget which stick it was, I already pulled it out, but anyways, Gotta do a quick chain putting back on. Oh, there we go. It's got a little more play than it should, but it'll have to do to get me back. Oh, let's get back on the road.